Today we are going to learn how to test three-phase bridge rectifier using digital multimeter. As you can see, three-phase RST, that means three-phase AC power supply in the rectifier input, and you can see also plus DC output from this rectifier and minus output from this rectifier. So if we apply three-phase in rectifier, we can get 540 plus DC output voltage. This one is negative terminal, and yes, in the diagram you can see negative terminal, and this one is positive terminal of three-phase bridge rectifier. So first of all, we can put positive terminal, red probe, in the rectifier and negative, and if we touch the negative black probe of rectifier at RST respectively as other, we can get a specific value from the multimeter around 5.483, 10% plus minus can be. And T terminal, we can measure is point of this rectifier if we put negative probe of rectifier positive terminal, and respectively is point of rectifier RST, we put as other separately. First of all, R we can see 489 value, and second one we can touch again R 490, and second S we can see touch yes 490 same value, and third one is terminal T RST is input AC input, we can see same value of this reading. So if we measure this way, the rectifier can find out whether it's good or bad. If you love this, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.